Good morning again from St. Michael. This is the project I previously photoed, a railing replacement on this early 1900s front porch. We wrapped the columns in Azek, which is a cellular PVC product, and installed brackets onto the posts, and built her a replacement rail for her front porch here. We actually changed it from the Georgetown style to the St. Charles style with a traditional colonial spindle. And this is the completed project. Inserts bolted down, railing mounted, and completed 2 days before Thanksgiving for this nice lady. And if you're interested in having a porch rail upgrade, feel free to contact us at Authority Fence, 320-558-4488, or visit us on the web at www.authorityfence.com. And have a great day. Thank you.